The Oral-B Pro 33708 is known for occasional charging indicator issues, usually appearing after 12 to 18 months of use. In many cases, the problem isn't the charging system itself, but the small LED light that displays battery status. On this model, green typically means fully charged, red shows low battery or active charging, and no light can either signal a fault or simply an LED malfunction. The important thing to understand is that a missing light does not automatically mean the toothbrush isn't charging. To diagnose properly, leave the brush on the charger for a full 24 hours, then test how long it runs. If it operates for its normal brushing duration, the battery and charging system are likely fine. Next, inspect and clean the charging contacts on both the handle and base using isopropyl alcohol, making sure everything is dry before reconnecting. Also, try a different wall outlet to rule out power supply issues. If the brush works normally but the light never returns, it's usually just a cosmetic LED failure. Replacing the charging base often fixes the issue, but deeper problems may require internal repair or battery replacement after 2 to 3 years of use. Focus on real performance, not just the indicator light.